Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to talk about my best vacation in the Amazon. In the trip was 2 years ago in the month July. The trip began in the international airport El Dorado. The flight lasted 2 hours and 15 minutes. I traveled with my wife Maria Romero. We arrived in Leticia in the 3 afternoon. Leticia is a small city, but with abundant commerce. From the airport, we went to a small port where a boat was waiting for us that could us to the hotel that was inside the jungle. Upon arrival at the hotel, they showed us the place all in wood and took us to the room, offered us dinner, and welcomed us. The hotel was full. There we last day with 7 nights. 8th day there was different activity. In the morning, we went out to canoe the indigenous reserves. Another day to canopy. Another day by canoe. Another day to the border with Peru. To canoe is culture. Another day to the border with Brazil. In the afternoon, we had lunch, enjoyed the pool and dinner, and in the evening, there were always evening activity. The food there was very good and varied. We meet different animals tropical to the region. It really has been the best vacation of my life. Thank you.